Hey guys, so it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. My student is sleeping over in the truck right there. The shop's over there, the gate's that way, and I'm in Temple, Texas. So anyway, the student is doing pretty good. He's adapting to truck driving pretty well. But you know, I want to talk about adapting to truck driving. I think that's what the title of this video is going to be. Because there's two different scenarios on this truck. You know, he's going to be getting married, starting a family, the whole 9 yards. And I'm single. I don't know how many of y'all knew that or not, but it is what it is. And being single and being a truck driver, your abilities to date is pretty limited. You know, dating is really quite difficult, even in the modern world. I mean, yeah, you got Tinder and you got all that, but you're not in any one city for any real length of time. Now, I am doing Walmart dedicated, so I am in Walmart, you know, in Temple, Texas, the DC, a lot. But it's not like I really have time to go out to the local scenery and try to date. So, you know, with me being single and everything, you know, the dating aspect is something I've really quite looked into. And yeah, but go to the other aspect of it. If you got a wife or a long-term girlfriend, you know, the long-term relationship, that's not very easy either. You know, that was something that my father did a lot too. You know, he used to work on power plants, and so he would be out of the house for weeks, not even weeks, it would be months on end. So I know long distance relationship can work, but it does put a lot of stress on the family. Adapting to truck driving, it's not just a career. It is definitely a lifestyle. You know, you're sleeping in a tin box, guys. You're sleeping in that. That is your whole world. You got other guys who are sleeping in their cabs. You hear that engine rumble all day, all night. Y'all seen the inside of that cab. It's not huge, but it works. But it is small. Yeah, this is definitely, it's a lifestyle. Do I love it? That's a hard one to say. There's a lot of things I love about trucking, and there's some things I don't like about trucking. I like the freedom. You know, when you compare it to a lot of other jobs, I love the freedom. The loneliness, though. That's a little different. Anyway, I don't know if this video is going to end up being used or not, because there is the idle of the truck. I got another video I'm going to do, but I'm gonna walk somewhere else to do that one, where it should be, or hopefully be, a little quieter. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of just thought and sit down and talk about the adapting to this type of career or lifestyle. You got to be a strong person to be able to do it sometimes, and know that you're going to have highs and lows. Yeah, that's all I got to say for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them below. I do have Patreon, the link's down below. And I might have to start trying to figure out something about everybody who wants to be on my truck. You know, I love the fact that you guys want to be on my truck, but I gotta try to figure out some kind of schedule so that way everybody can who wants to be. Anyway, see ya.